Every year, around 30,000 people in the UK are diagnosed with blood cancer, from leukemia through to myelodysplastic syndrome, and many thousands more with other serious blood disorders. That's why new and improved treatments are continuously being created by the Haematology department at King's College Hospital in London. To ensure this is possible, the Lions International Blood Research Appeal, also known as LIBRA, raises vital funds for the department.
LIBRA is unique. It is the only charity in the world to solely support the Haematology department at King's College Hospital.
Today, many patients with a variety of blood cancers and disorders receive specialist care and life-saving treatments on the hospital's haematology wards, including the Davidson, ELF and LIBRA ward.
All patients who come under the haematology umbrella are patients who've got malignant haematological diseases, so different types of leukemias, myelomas, so needing cancer treatment, and patients with non-malignant haematology conditions, which again are often long-term conditions for patients. So patients with sickle cell disease, thalassemia, different types of anemias. We see patients coming to us nationally from across the UK and Ireland, and we have had patients from Europe as well.
The care I had from the haematology team was excellent. From the professors, the doctors, the nurses, the healthcare assistants, right the way through. If it wasn't for the treatments available at King's, I might not be here today.
There are a number of treatments that have been developed primarily because of the funding that we have received from LIBRA, and many of these treatments have been directly and quickly translated into patient care.
Behind the scenes, the Haematology department have ambitions for the future that will enable them to create even more therapies to tackle cancers.
What gets me out of bed in the morning is to be able to do what we do right now, substantially better and in a broader sense, so that a greater population of patients can benefit from it. And this requires not only additional, very sophisticated specialist items of equipment, but at this particular moment in time, additional laboratory facilities would allow us to expand the group and expand the number of vaccines and types of vaccines that we generate for immune therapy of cancer and leukemia. And that really is the ultimate objective of my life for the next 10 years.
We have the research and we have the treatments now available to improve patients' conditions. And so it's how we can now make their environment in which they're receiving this treatment better. The patients' rooms are very small, and our patients can be in these rooms for a minimum 2 to 3 weeks, but actually can often be in those rooms for 2 to 3 months. What we're looking to do now is to improve the day room area. Patients have talked to us about how they would like to, how they feel they benefit by meeting other patients who are going through similar experiences, and just looking for that peer group support, which will have, we believe, a great benefit to patients' recovery and rehabilitation.
If you are feeling inspired and would like to support LIBRA, there are so many ways in which you can help. LIBRA supporters are involved in many exciting activities.
Knowing that LIBRA is doing this specifically for King's Haematology is actually quite humbling, because we're all in here every day caring for our patients. And obviously that's the reason we come into work every day. But knowing that there are other groups of people outside of this hospital caring for our patients, doing marathons, triathlons, all sorts of strenuous sporting activity to raise money for us, it really does, it gives a huge boost to the team. So it is incredible.
To be thoroughly involved with the patients, the families, the team, to actively fundraise for important equipment for these departments, and to help with their presentation of their wards, the research units, and the long-term care is amazing.
Together we can win the battle against blood cancer and other blood disorders. By supporting LIBRA, you are helping to save lives today and also supporting research that will benefit generations to come.